Hello everybody and welcome to Morzak EV, a channel dedicated to all things electric vehicles, electric vehicle charging and all related technologies. And today I'm here in Shrewsbury to take a look at the FastAmps A7. So this video is part of our new VR series where you'll be able to put on your VR headset, whether it's an Apple Vision Pro or an Oculus Quest of some kind, and you'll be able to take a look at this charge point in 3D. So if you've got a VR headset, make sure you watch us on one of your streaming platforms in VR, and you'll get a bit more of an idea of what the charge point looks like, the size of it, and you can see how small and neat this unit is. So yeah, this is the FastAmps A7. So FastAmps are a company based here in Shrewsbury, the home of technology and the home of Charles Darwin, where the first iron bridge was built. It has a strong history of pushing the boundaries of technology, and this company is no different. So it's a small 7 kilowatt charge point, super neat, super robust. The company's founders come from a pedigree of industrial technology, so they understand what's required to produce something in high numbers and for it to be repeatably reliable. And yeah, I've been really impressed with what I've seen today. This is the Gen 2 unit, so I'll talk a bit more through the unit when I do the installation, but basically yeah, it's small, it's reliable, and the next version of the unit will have even more features. So behind me you can see they've been through various prototypes, and it's been good to see the thinking behind the developments and where bring them to where they've got to today. So the unit is available in black or white. You can see the white one there. It's 7 kilowatt. It's got pen fault detection, so there's no need for an earth rod. Make sure you check out our video on the subject if you're not sure what that means. It has dynamic load balancing, which means it will not overload your house's main fuse if you've got too many things on. Yeah, again, we've got videos on the subject. Check out the link above. And it also has the ability to measure solar charging and charge directly from the solar. So you can charge your vehicle using the free electricity generated by your solar panels, which is again a really nice addition, which you don't see in many chargers. And I've seen it on the demo unit here. Works really nicely, really seamlessly. And so it'll do exactly what a My Energy Zappy will do. So that's great. So talking to the team here today, the USP of this charge point and the philosophy of the company is to have a charge point that's simple, reliable and robust. And this is definitely, they've definitely achieved that with this charge point. It's also extremely cost competitive. Yeah, the charger itself, it's really well built. Everything is built here in the UK, and the final assembly is done here in Shrewsbury at Darwin House, which is the home of Charles Darwin. And finally, the charge point has been built with installers in mind. So I know there's a lot of installers watching this channel, and even for the customers, this is a wonderful benefit because it lowers the cost of installation, and it means you'll have a product that's installed correctly by your installers. So yeah, ease of installation. I've had to go installing the demo unit here. Again, super simple. They do training on site here, but yeah, honestly, the unit it almost installs itself. So I've been really impressed. FastAmps are a newer charge point company coming to the market, but yeah, they're catching up with the competition and overtaking a lot of the competition very quickly. So again, UK built. I don't think you can ask for more than that for a product that's so competitively priced. So if you do want to get in touch with us, make sure you contact us on our various social media platforms. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notifications of our future videos, where we cover everything to do with EVs, EV charge points, and solar panels, battery installations, all home technologies. If you're thinking of signing up to a new energy tariff, make sure you check out our Octopus referral link in the code above. And if you do sign up using our link, you get £50 credit when you sign up. And in the meantime, thanks very much for watching.